gotten a ton of questions today, and I just want to take a minute and chat with y'all. Hey, y'all, this is Whitney Nicely from She Buys It, and I help women buy investment portfolios. I help women get started in real estate investing so that they can make passive income. But what I want to talk to you about today has nothing to do with money. It's all about helping people, all right? Because as real estate investors, we are problem solvers, all right? We start solving problems from the moment we wake up until the moment we go to bed, and then we do it all again tomorrow. Sometimes we solve huge problems, like what to do when the septic system backs up into your bathtub in your triplex, to smaller problems like what are we going to do if the appraiser is 15 minutes late to our first Monday morning appointment. Both problems that I have had today. Okay? But overall, real estate investors are problem solvers. And if you're going to be a problem solver, you also have to have a heart to help people. Because as things are crazy in our economy, and as things are crazy in our everyday lives with jobs and with driving and with, marriages and everything that we have going on in our lives, it's all just crazy. And listen, none of us have tomorrow promised. None of us know exactly what's going to happen when we wake up every day. And especially in times like this, we don't know hour from hour what's going to be happening. But one thing that I do know is that you need to be helping people. Whether you're helping sellers, they just can't stand this crap anymore and they're just tired of tenants and toilets and they just can't stand one more septic backup. Or whether you're helping a seller that has an elderly parent or a sick kid or something and they just can't handle the real estate right now. They just got to get rid of it. Those are people that you can help. And as real estate investors, it's our job to help people and to solve people's problems. Right now, it doesn't even have anything to do with the money. It doesn't have anything to do with the, millions of people that have become millionaires as real estate investors. It's all about you helping sellers right now. And just as people are unsure about what they're going to do on an hour-to-hour basis, some sellers aren't sure what they're going to do if their tenants move out. They're going to be in a bind. They don't know what they're going to do if septic backs up and they have to pay out of pocket to get it pumped. Sellers are flipping out right now. And if you want to be a real estate investor, this is your chance to step up and be a helper. Oh, crap. People need your help. Now, more than ever, sellers need your help. And in a good economy, sellers still have life things that happen to them, and they need your help. But in a bad economy, the sellers that need your help are multiplied. You don't have to look very far to find people that want to dump properties in a bad economy. All right, they may be dumping properties because they had 5 and 4 are doing good, 4 are performing, but they got one that they were in the middle of a flip and they ran out of money, and now the bank's going to call all 5 of them due if they don't get the payments straightened out. That could happen. You might find a seller that has a really steady job, but all of a sudden their hotel has been shut down that they've been a manager of for 20 years. And now they don't have a job, and now they don't know how they're going to make their payments. And there's this whole downward spiral of things that can happen in the real world that real estate investors can help. You can help say, you know what, Mr. Seller, Mrs. Seller, don't even worry about that. I'm going to take that problem. You know what? I can see where you're worried about that. Don't even sweat it. Or you could say, you know what, just make this payment for 3 more months and then I'll take it over. You could say, you know what, I've got some people that have been wanting to get into flipping. Let me take over this project and finish it for you and finish out this deal. All right. Real estate investors are problem solvers. And right now, today, there are a lot of problems to be solved. There's a lot of sellers that are in their head freaking out. If you would start telling people, hey, I can help you with this, this, and this, You'll be amazed at how many phone calls you start to get. I've been telling the ladies in First Deal Done Fast, I help women get their first deal done fast. I've been telling the ladies in First Deal Done Fast for the last couple years that if they could get these deals done while we were in a good, up, strong market, that when the market, because it's going to, it can't go up forever, but when the market starts to down, you'll be doing more deals than you can keep up with. Because when you are a helper, when you are a problem solver, you will always find people to help, and you will always find solutions to people's problems. As real estate investors, I'm a real estate investor as well. As a real estate investor, people are going to start telling you about problems that they're having with properties. And these are going to be great people that you probably go to church with, or you used to go to kids' ball practices with. These are going to be real people that you already know that are going to start needing your help. And it's your job to help them. You have to help them right now. Real estate investors are problem solvers. And as long as you are a problem solver, you will never run out of leads. You will never run out of people to help. And that's what I want you to focus on right now, okay? Things are super shaky. It's okay to admit that things are kind of scary right now. But a lot of your sellers are looking for you to help solve their problems. They're looking for you to help get them back on course. They're looking to you to be the leader that they need. All right, it's time for y'all to step up. A lot of y'all been saying, I buy houses, I buy houses, I buy houses. Start proving it. Start buying houses. Like most women are going to start buying shoes, or wish they could be buying shoes. Start buying houses, okay? I would love to help you. If you're not in First Deal Done Fast, literally this is the time to get to First Deal Done Fast, okay? All the details are on firstdealdonefast.com. I've even got a webinar where I will explain to you exactly what we do in First Deal Done Fast, and you can watch that totally for free. Go to getyourfirstdeal.com. Getyourfirstdeal.com. 4 words. Getyourfirstdeal.com. I got a webinar where I'll show you exactly what we're going to be doing in First Deal Done Fast and how you can start helping these sellers. But y'all, this goes way beyond the money. This goes way beyond generational wealth. And this boils down to you've got to start helping your neighbors who are going to get into some serious binds. You got to start helping your community who need you to start stepping up. All right, you can help your family, but you got to start with yourself. You've got to put your mask on first. You got to know what you're talking about. You got to know who you're helping. You got to know why you're helping certain people and why you're not the best solution for other people. There's lots to learn, and my way to help you so you can help other people is to get you into First Deal Done Fast. All right. I had a guy call me today, said he saw a YouTube video, or he saw my Whitney Buys Houses Facebook page or Whitney Buys Houses website. I'm the broker for Whitney Buys Houses. He said, I want to get started buying houses with lease options. Can I take you to coffee? I said, no, because we can't cover it all in coffee. But I've recorded everything that you need to know to get your first deal done fast. And it's all on firstdealdonefast.com, or you can watch the webinar masterclass on getyourfirstdeal.com. All right? Go there. Start there so that you can watch and you can learn and you can find out how you can help more sellers by buying their houses. All right? Go into it with a servant's heart, with a helper's heart. Help solve people's problems. And the best way that you can help people right now is to buy their unwanted houses. Seriously, you will save lives, you will save marriages, you will save yourself, all right? It's going to be a roller coaster. And real estate investing is not easy, but you can do it, and I'm here to help you. It's all in firstdealdonefast.com. Go to 4 words, getyourfirstdeal.com. Getyourfirstdeal.com. Find out everything that I can tell you about First Deal Done Fast, and let's get started. Let me help you so you can go help other people. Okay? you have any questions, let me know. But y'all get out there, solve some problems, get out there and help some people, and get your first deal done fast so that you can help more people and solve more problems. Okay? Mwah.